Let's sew some hearts onto your lips, not literally of course, but just watch this tutorial and of course follow if you like this kind of makeup. Paint the outlines in purple and magenta and then the mint green and the pastel yellow hearts on each lip, and then fill in the lip colors in the opposite colors, pastel yellow and mint green, like if you took a heart from one lip and put it onto the other. After you're done filling the lips in, paint the patterns in the colors of the outlines, polka dots and stripes and vice versa for the hearts. Now to make them look like they're sewn in, put a piece of cotton on the lash glue and paint the stitches in black, and there are more ideas like this in my lip art ebook. The most fun way to incorporate hearts into your Valentine's Day makeup is take a white liquid lipstick. This is Gavissi Beauty Icicle. You can use my code THEMIRRORBEAUTY for it. Also for the next one, by the way, which is Klarity Cosmetics Barbie Babe. You mix the two lipsticks together, you blend the ombre to create the reverse pink and white effect, and then on the outer part, on the white, you paint the rainbow hearts. All colors show up great and white, even the lighter yellow one. If you're liking the tutorial so far, please push that like button. After that, carve your lips with foundation for a crisp lip line. And the easiest lip tutorial for Valentine's and anti-Valentine's makeup. Paint a content purple, dark purple, red and brown. Paint the lips the opposite colors and paint a heart and a broken heart, one on each lip. Use a glitter primer and a multi-chrome pigment. Comment a heart or a broken heart, whichever you like more. Follow for creative makeup ideas. Wanna go pink for Valentine's Day but still stay a little bit spooky? This lip art tutorial will sure help. Cover all your lips in dark magenta lipstick, then use a glitter primer. By the way, all the products used are listed in the caption. And after that, use a fine pink, maybe slightly hollow glitter. Drop a lip emoji if you'd wear this for Valentine's Day.